presentation is going to be a quiz that you can use to test yourself on Moore's Law. Our first question is, what was Moore's initial observation regarding computer processors? In 1965, the co-founder of Intel, Gordon Moore, observed that there was an astounding annual doubling in the number of chip elements called transistors. Our next question is, how did Moore's Law affect the semiconductor industry? As Moore's prediction became known as a law, it also became a self-fulfilling prophecy for the semiconductor industry as technologists were challenged to come up with annual breakthroughs. Investments and economies also began to rely on Moore's Law. Next, what do critics of Moore's Law argue? Critics of Moore's Law argue that since the same technology is being modified, it can't continue to grow exponentially. They claim that the law is no longer applicable today since computer processors can't keep getting smaller and faster forever. Lastly for today, what advantage does the technology industry have over other industries? To address critics of Moore's Law, we can note that technology does have an advantage over other industries such as transportation, since it deals with bits instead of atoms. Working with technology has less physical constraints, such as considering weight, and therefore has less limitations. Let me know if you have any more questions about Moore's Law, or if you've come up with any of your own questions to quiz others.